In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up multi-currency in Wave accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer dealing with international clients, managing multiple currencies can be a game changer for your financial operations. Let's dive into the process to ensure you handle your transactions smoothly and efficiently. First, let's focus on setting up the multi-currency feature within a customer profile. This is crucial if you have clients across different countries and need to send invoices in their local currency. To begin, head over to the Sales and Payments section of your Wave accounting dashboard. This is your primary hub for managing all transactions related to sales, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't already. Once you're in the Sales and Payments section, navigate to Customers. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing clients. If you're adding a new customer, simply select Add a Customer. However, if you're updating the currency for an existing client, choose the Edit option next to their name. This flexibility allows you to tailor each customer profile to suit their specific needs, which is especially beneficial if you work with diverse markets. Now, let's move on to the primary details section within the customer profile. Under this section, you will find the currency field. This is where you'll set the local currency for your client. It's important to select the correct currency because any future invoices or draft layouts you create for this customer will default to the currency you specify here. This not only simplifies the invoicing process, but also ensures clarity for both you and your client, reducing the chances of any discrepancies or confusion. Once you've adjusted the currency field to your client's local currency, you're all set. Moving forward, any draft layout or invoice you create for this customer will automatically default to the currency you've chosen. This seamless integration of multi-currency handling in Wave accounting can significantly enhance your workflow, especially if you're regularly dealing with international transactions. As a tip, make sure to double-check the currency settings whenever you onboard a new client or update an existing profile. This small step can save you a lot of time and potential errors in the future. Additionally, staying informed about the current exchange rates and how they might affect your pricing strategy is always a smart business move. Wave accounting's multi-currency feature is designed to make your life easier, allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than getting bogged down with currency conversions and manual adjustments. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to manage your finances and provide a more streamlined experience for your clients. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective way to set up multi-currency in Wave accounting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you gain a better understanding of how to manage multiple currencies within your accounting software. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy accounting.